Hey everyone, okay, so I got the KB Premium Baby Knits 3/8 gauge thin yarn loom set. It makes hats and booties. Now it does come with the directions for both of these patterns. So you got one pattern for each. And look at the texture, like it's a cute little pattern. Let's open these up and look at the looms themselves. My pattern book looks like it's kind of stuck down in there. Okay, here is the baby booty one. How cute is that? And in KB fashion, oh, this way. 24 peg, 3/8 gauge. No counting needed. And then we have this one. 56 peg, 3/8 gauge. So very excited about these. I needed a good set for baby items, so this is absolutely perfect. And really, that's all I got for this one. I'm a fan of KB looms. The material is very durable. I like how each one, it's not just wrote on there, but it's imprinted into the plastic. The peg number and the gauge. I think that is super awesome and very, very convenient. Because measuring gauge can be difficult. Alright, so get these in there. Oh, I'm getting hung up on the piece of paper in there. There we go. So there it is. The baby knit hat set. Well, hat and booty set. Questions, comments, comment section below. Read the description below because there's going to be some more information in there. Thank you guys so much for watching.